welcome you here for a special press release here in Tamil Nadu. You must have heard of Bull in India in the past because we've been around for some time now. I'll just give you a brief introduction of why and how and what is Bull in India. As all of you are aware, the amount of consumption of gold and silver in India is huge. The typical way that any family or anyone invests in jewelry or gold is that they go to their family jeweler and they buy the jewelry. That used to happen years ago. But then because of the prices, when the prices started becoming very volatile and the prices started going only upwards one direction, people started investing in gold coins and bullion and silver coins, especially in the 2004, post 2004, when the prices started rising and people were seeing that there is a huge return on investment when you consider the fact that the prices are rising one way. And because they didn't want to buy jewelry, what they used to do is they used to buy the coins, and then they used to go to their family jeweler and convert it into jewelry as in when the time was right. However, the problem for any retail investor was that if they went to a reputed jeweler, the coin prices were extremely high. They used to charge the making of the jewelry on a coin as well. Or if they was to go to a bank which were allowed to sell them, the prices were very high. If they used to go to a jeweler who's not as reputed but who used to sell at a very competitive price, they had to compromise on the purity. So they didn't really have a proper avenue of buying gold at a wholesale price, and they wanted to buy a small quantity. Plus, the prices were always opaque. People used to give different prices. Even when the prices have fallen down, people used to give at old price, which was a slightly higher price, and so on. And quantity-wise also, people were not selling 1 gram, 2 gram coins. Smaller coins are not available. Silver is not available in most of the jewelers, and I know people want to buy silver as well. I'll just give you a brief of why Bull in India was required. As I told you the story of a typical retailer who wanted to buy a gold coin, he had to face so many hardships when he had to go to a jeweler. Bull in India as a product was required, especially when you consider the fact that in the wholesale market we were successful in starting something online. So in 2008, we started a platform called RSBL Spot, which was a B2B wholesale level buying of gold and silver. That is 1 kilo bar, 100 gram bar, and in case of silver, 5 kilos and 30 kilos silver. So that is something that we were very successful at. We were the first ones to give the spot prices on a live basis. It became very transparent. We were the first ones to give a two-way code, so people not only can buy, but they could sell it back to us. But that was restricted to the jewelers because obviously we don't want to sell large bars to a retail client. Plus we had certain restrictions on how we could operate, and that's the reason why it was restricted. However, we wanted to pass on these advantages, these benefits in a similar way to the retail clients. That's when we decided that we have to launch something, and here it is. It's called Bull in India. We launched it 1.5 years ago, but we were slow in terms of marketing it. The reason being that there was a time period in between when the government was not really in favor of people investing in gold and silver, and that's why we had slowed down our operations, marketing and all, and we were just focusing on the existing clients. But now that the market is picking up again, and we see that the potential for this particular product is huge, so we are launching it state by state with the delivery center and all, and here we are with you today in Tamil Nadu. Consumer of gold jewelry in the country, Festival Bonanza, promoter and management, and the way forward. You must be aware that the Indian e-commerce industry is simply exploding. We've been seeing of late only news related to e-commerce industry, the likes of these major .com companies, including Flipkart and others. So there is a huge market in India because of the fact that so much of Indian population is in the rural areas, which is now connected through the internet or through the mobile commerce. And there are still so many people who are still starting to use e-commerce. And with the fact that people have found it very easy to buy and then do the payments, and the delivery is also given to them at home. They don't have the inconvenience of traveling anywhere. E-commerce in India is exploding. And obviously there is no reason why gold and silver can be left behind. And Bull in India is the best way for an investor to invest in gold and silver. Whether it's jewelry or others, maybe left to this website, but we are focusing only on the investment part of gold and silver for the retail clients through Bull in India.